Hello everyone, welcome to CodeWired, my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a cool Python feature called partial function. This is a handy trick that can make your code cleaner and more flexible. So let's jump right in. So first of all, what is a partial function? Partial function allow you to fix a certain number of arguments of a function and generate a new function. It comes from the functools module. This is a super useful when you want to simplify function calls with repetitive arguments. Let's see one basic usage of function partial function here. So first we need to import partial from functools, and then we define our function here like power function. And we want to always, in our case, we want to always get the square value of the base. So here, that partial function can help us, and we use a partial to create a new function called the square that always use an exponent of 2. Now, whenever we call a square function, we only need to pass the base value. So when we pass the 4 as a base value, the result should be 16, right? So if I run the code, you can see this is 16. So this would be one example that it can help us to understand what's the partial function. But let's try to do another thing, the more real world type of problem that we will see. And we can actually use this approach to create a code. This is another one for showing the partial. And here we use partial to create center text, which formats text to be centered by default. Now, every time we call center text, this function object with our given string, it aligns the text to a center without specifying the alignment again. So we only pass one time alignment, and we create another function out of our function with the default value of the argument. And then by having that object, function object, we pass the text, and we have a default value for width. And then we use this new function to make this text as center. So let me comment this line. Just want to have less noise here. So if we print it, you can see the hello, it's between the left and the right bars. So if you change this to anything like left or something, it would also affect. You can create 2 function or 3 function to have this either left or right. This is center, this is left, right? If we formatted left, and this is formatted center, and we pass it here, and we pass. I just want to show you how easy to write this partial, create a new function out of your function using the partial function. As you can see, first one is on the center, the second one's on the left. So when we should use a partial function, whenever you find yourself calling a function with the same argument values over and over, partial function can make your code more concise and readable. It's also helpful when working with functions that expect specific parameters like callbacks or event handlers. And that's it for partial function in Python. They are simple yet powerful tool to streamline your code, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more Python tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.